Small talk is a very important skill in English. It helps you connect with people, build relationships, and feel more confident in social situations. For new English learners, small talk might seem difficult, but with practice, it can become easy and even fun. In this video, we will break down the steps to master small talk in English. Let's start. What is small talk? Small talk is casual conversation about everyday topics. It is not deep or serious. Instead, it is light and friendly. Examples of small talk include talking about the weather, hobbies, work, or weekend plans. Small talk is common in many situations, such as at work, at a party, or while waiting in line. Why is small talk important? It helps people feel comfortable with each other. It is a way to show friendliness and start a conversation. Even if your English is not perfect, small talk can help you practice and improve. Step 1. Learn common small talk topics. The first step to mastering small talk is to know what topics are good for small talk. Here are some common ones. The weather. This is a very safe topic. You can say things like, "It's a beautiful day, isn't it? I hope it doesn't rain later." Hobbies and interests. People love talking about what they enjoy. You can ask, "Do you like sports? What do you do in your free time? Work or school?" This is a common topic, especially with people you don't know well. You can say, "What do you do for work? How do you like your job? Weekend plans or holidays?" Talking about weekends or vacations is easy and fun. You can ask, "Do you have any plans for the weekend? Are you going anywhere for the holidays?" Current events. If you know about something happening in the news, you can talk about it. For example, "Did you hear about the new park opening downtown? What do you think about the new movie that just came out?" Remember, small talk topics should be positive and not too personal. Avoid talking about politics, religion, or money unless you know the person well. Step 2. Practice common phrases and questions. To feel confident in small talk, you need to know some common phrases and questions. Here are a few examples. Starting a conversation. "Hi, how are you? Nice to meet you. How's your day going?" Asking questions. "What do you like to do for fun? How was your weekend? Do you have any plans for the holidays?" Responding to questions. "I'm good, thanks. How about you?" "My weekend was great. I went to the park. I'm planning to visit my family next week." Ending a conversation. "It was nice talking to you. Have a great day. See you later." Practice these phrases until they feel natural. You can say them out loud or write them down. The more you practice, the easier it will be to use them in real conversations. Step 3. Listen carefully. Listening is just as important as speaking in small talk. When someone is talking, pay attention to what they say. This will help you respond appropriately. Here are some tips for listening. Show interest, nod your head, smile, or say things like "really" or "that's interesting" to show you are listening. Ask follow-up questions. If someone says, "I went to the beach last weekend," you can ask, "How was the weather?" or "Did you swim?" Don't interrupt. Let the other person finish speaking before you respond. Good listening skills make the other person feel valued and help the conversation flow smoothly. Step 4. Keep the conversation balanced. A good small talk conversation is balanced. This means both people should have a chance to speak. If you talk too much, the other person might lose interest. If you don't talk enough, they might think you are not interested. Here's how to keep the conversation balanced. Ask questions. If you don't know what to say, ask a question. For example, "What about you?" Or, "How do you feel about that?" Share your thoughts. After the other person speaks, share your own ideas or experiences. For example, I agree, the weather has been great. I love going for walks in the park. Avoid one-word answers. If someone asks, "How was your weekend?" don't just say good. Instead, say, "It was good. I went to the movies with my friends." Step 5. Be positive and friendly. Small talk is meant to be light and enjoyable. Try to keep the conversation positive. Avoid complaining or talking about negative topics. For example, instead of saying, "I hate this weather," you can say, "I hope it gets warmer soon." Smile and use a friendly tone of voice. This will make the other person feel comfortable and more likely to enjoy the conversation. Step 6. Practice, practice, practice. The best way to master small talk is to practice as much as you can. Here are some ways to practice. Talk to friends or classmates. Practice. Small talk with people you know. This will help you feel more comfortable. Join English conversation groups. Many cities and online platforms have groups where people practice speaking English. This is a great way to meet new people and practice small talk. Talk to strangers. If you feel brave, try starting a small talk conversation with someone you don't know. For example, you can talk to the cashier at a store or someone waiting in line with you. Role play practice, small talk with a friend or by yourself. Pretend you are in different situations, like at a party or at work. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when learning a new language. The important thing is to keep trying. Step 7. Learn from native speakers. Listening to native English speakers can help you learn how small talk works in real life. Here are some ways to do this. Watch movies or TV shows. Pay attention to how characters start and end conversations. Notice the phrases they use. Listen to podcasts or radio shows. Many podcasts have casual conversations that are similar to small talk. Observe people in public. If you are in an English-speaking country, listen to how people talk to each other in cafes, parks, or stores. Step 8. Be patient with yourself. Learning to master small talk takes time. Don't expect to be perfect right away. Start with simple conversations and gradually try more challenging ones. Celebrate your progress no matter how small. Every conversation is a step forward. Step 9. Use body language. Body language is an important part of communication. Even if your words are not perfect, your body language can show that you are friendly and interested. Here are some tips. Smile. A smile makes you look approachable and friendly. Eye contact. Look at the person when they are speaking. This shows you are paying attention. Nodding shows that you understand or agree with what the person is saying. Stand or sit up straight. Good posture shows confidence. Step 10. Have fun. Small talk doesn't have to be stressful. It's a chance to meet new people and learn about different cultures. Try to enjoy the process. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Final thoughts. Mastering small talk in English is a skill that takes time and practice. Start by learning common topics and phrases, then practice as much as you can. Remember to listen carefully, keep the conversation balanced, and be positive. Most importantly, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every conversation is an opportunity to learn and improve. With these steps, you will soon feel more confident and comfortable making small talk in English. Good luck and have fun practicing.